How to use Google Assistant with multiple accounts on one Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device, scroll down and click on Google. After you click on Google in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on All Services. Scroll down and click on Search Assistant and Voice. After you click on Search Assistant and Voice, click on Google Assistant. In here, scroll down and you'll find Accounts. Click on Accounts. You'll find all the accounts available. Below the account, you'll find Enable. Select the account you want to add and press on Enable. After you press on Enable in here, it will be updated. Press on Continue and you're good to go. This is how to use Google Assistant with multiple accounts on one Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.